Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to day 14 activity. Today we are just trying to understand how can we count number of digits from a given string. What might be our approach? How can we get number of digits from a given string? Because we know this thing very well that string is a combination of alphanumerics, right? So how can we get only digits from a given string? Today's agenda is fixed, so I believe you may understand all this thing properly. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share with your friends, and do comment. So let's try to find out the solution of the problem here. I can say count number of digits present in the given string. We just try to get an example here. I'm just giving a demo. Suppose that we input Java 2025, right? And what might be the output here? You can see string is having a few numbers like 2025. We can say 2025. So how many digits are there? We need to count. Okay, so total four digits are there. So we are just expecting that it should print out four in the console window. So what is the time complexity and what is the space complexity? You should have to write in the comment box. Okay, and we'll try to discuss further. So let's try to create a new class team. Okay, I will go to the project. Okay, we have already created a project. You can see 2024, and in this project we have created a package basic programs. This package we are using and applying frequently to perform few tasks or few problem statements. So let's try to continue with this. I will try to create a new class and giving the name here as number of digit. Okay, you can see the classes already exists. I can say number of digits present. Let me give the name of a class like this. Okay, and I would like to add here main method. And in this class we are just trying to create a new method. I can say public static void count number of digits, right? And here we are trying to pass our string as a parameter. And now we are trying to write a comment. So what will be our first step? First we'll try to declare and initialize a variable. Okay, we are declaring a variable. It will be incremented up to get all the digits from the particular string. Then after we need to traverse, right? And at last we'll try to print number of digits in the console window. All right, so now we are trying to declare a variable here. I can say integer number equals 0. Okay, and then after we are trying to use for loop. So I can say for integer I equals 0, I less than we can say value dot length, and we are giving here I plus plus, right? If you are not familiar with looping statement, I have applied for loop many times in our previous problem statements. Kindly go and watch all the videos so you may easily get the idea about the looping statements. Now in this loop I will try to apply character. Each and every character should be practically count. So we have to apply a method called char add. It is an inbuilt method, so we can add like this. I can say value dot caret of I. So each and every character would be practically counted. So I can say that caret function would return a character only. So let me try to print out here character ch. Okay, and now we are giving the condition here that whether this character is digit or not. So we need to apply here wrapper class. Okay, so I can give here if character dot is digit, which is an inbuilt method from a character, and it is provided by Java API. We are just trying to utilize this method which contains parameter character only. Already we have converted our number of characters into character only. We can say we have converted string into character. Now we are trying to print this out in console. So I need to write here, I need to increment, right? So number initialized by 0, but once it is finding out a digit from a given string, it will be automatically incremented. So let me try to here number plus plus. And now we are trying to print the out, print, already we have written here, you can see this one. And I would like to add here this out number of digits, give a plus number only. Now we need to call this method. Now before I call this method, you have to understand what is the time complexity of this method and what is the space complexity. So the time complexity of this method which we have created, before we are calling a method, we just need to find out the time complexity. Okay, so as we are giving string values, right? So obviously we are trying to check this out, that what might be the time complexity of which we have set. So mainly we can say that the time complexity of a given method would be big O of n. Why I'm saying that it is big of n, because we are just giving input, n number of inputs in the form of string. So obviously it would be reach to the big of n complexity, or we can say it is getting the executable time till the value which we have provided. So after this, we are just trying to understand what is the space complexity of that particular method, right? So space complexity would be automatically, you can say it would be constant only, big of 1. So you can say it will be constant. All right, so now we have find out. I believe that you have given the same result or answer in the comment box. Now we need to complete our code and try to check how we are getting the output in console. You can observe that we have this is the input, right? Java 2025, and output would be 4, right? So let's try to call this method here. I made the method as a static method only, so I can simply call by its name only. And here I will try to pass Java 2025, and we are just trying to save our code. Let's run and check, are we getting 4 as a result in console? You see that team, we have got here 4, which is actually highlighting the number of digits from the given string. I hope you have got the solution of the problem properly, and you may practice all this thing properly, right, and try to get the solution. Thank you team, have a great day. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, share with your friends, and do comment.